Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because what do you do with all them leftovers? Or what I like to sit there and say, LOL. Lots of leftovers. You make yourself a Gobbler sandwich. So come along with me and let's get started. And Booger, I hope you're watching because I have a real special guest in my kitchen. You're gonna recognize this baby. What is that? That's the DeLonghi grill that I won from Booger's channel. And it's making like a debut today. So I couldn't think of a better dish to bring you all along and show you how we make a Thanksgiving Gobbler sandwich. And we're doing it with what we won from Booger's channel. Okay, I am gonna uncover our stuffing. Now the rest of my stuffing I have for the actual day, but for this purpose, I'm just showing you what somebody would do with the leftover stuffing. So grab that ice cream scooper and we're just gonna come in here and we're gonna grab a good ice cream scoop full, like such. Hold on. I'm sorry, do you know any good camera guys out there? Because I surely need one. And we're just gonna put that down in each one of these squares. Now I'm gonna sit there and somewhat give it a little press out, and we're gonna sit there and put the top down and continue to make our waffle or our stuffing waffles. Okay, maybe 1.5 scoops per square. So I'll meet you when I'm all done mashing these out and we're ready to cook them. Alright, we have it all spread out. Now we're gonna sit there, bring our top down, and we're gonna turn it on and we're gonna make stuffing waffles. Basically, it's gonna be our bread for our Thanksgiving Gobbler sandwich. And let's pull off our stuffing waffles. Now that's what I wanted. I wanted good and sturdy waffles that wouldn't fall apart once we pick them up. So I'm going to put these on the plate and take them on over, and we'll assemble them from there. Let's assemble this bad boy all up. Now I'm gonna sit there and I'm hoping that everything is all in shot, but right over here, the main star was our stuffing. We went ahead, put the stuffing into our waffle makers, and we made some stuffing waffle bread. Now we're gonna sit there, take the top parts off of our stuffing bread. We're gonna grab some shredded cheddar cheese. We're gonna grab the cheddar cheese and we're gonna sit there and put a thin layer down on top of our bread. Then on top of that, we grab some of the cranberry sauce or relish that you had. Go ahead, put a layer of that all down. Okay, and next what you're going to be wanting to put down is some leftover turkey. Now, usually before I put the turkey on, I'll put some turkey in a separate dish with the gravy and then put the turkey down. So I'm going to do what I usually do. Alright, let's go ahead, grab some of that leftover turkey. I have a dish over here that we're going to put it in, and then we're going to put some of that leftover gravy that we have, and then we're going to put it right on top of our sandwich that we have started over here. Now I have to save some room because we have gravy to put up there, you know. And be generous with the gravy. I mean, come on. It's the moist maker. And now, just grab a little bit of lettuce. And we're gonna give it a nice little topping of torn lettuce. Put the other top up on there.